Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 121. If we start with this box, we're missing 7, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 8, 8 and 9 here. So that means this is our 7, 8, 9. If we look at this bottom row, we're missing 1, 7, and 8. We've got a 1 and 7 here, so this is our 8. 1 here, so 7, 1. If we look at this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. For this column, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 8. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 9. We've got a 9 covering these two spaces, so our 9 must be here. 2 here, so 3, 2. For this column now, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got a 5 and 7 here, so this is our 6. I don't see any other help. So 5, 7, 5, 7. For this row now, we're missing 4, 5, and 6. We've got a 5 and 6 here, so this is our 4. 6 here, so 5, 6. For this box now, we're missing 3, 4, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 4. 8 here, so 3, 4. That means our 8 has to be here. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got a 3 and 9 here, so this is our 4. That makes this our 3 and our 9. And that 3 makes this our 4. For this column now, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 5. For this row now, we're missing 1, 2, and 4. We've got a 1 and 4 here, so this is our 2. 4 here, so 1, 4. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 3, and I don't see any help. So 2, 3, 2, 3. For this box, we're missing 5 and 7, and I don't see any help, so 5, 7. For this box, we're missing 5, 7, and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 8. No help here. 5, 7, 8. For this row, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 1 and 6 here, so this is our 3. 1 here, so 6, 1. For this box, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 2. For this column now, we've got 1, 2. We're missing a 3. That 3 makes this our 2, 3. For this column, we're missing 2 and 8. We've got a 2 here, so 8, 2. That 8 makes this our 7, 5, 8. That 5 makes this our 7, 5. to finish out this box now. We're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here. So 7 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.